Wilkowski entry number 1. And the rope early lead is taken by American Ruler from the outside. And moving up on the inside to grab the lead, the outstanding favorite, Royalty Material, followed by Wilkowski. And Colossal on the outside is double up. Talaga ha. And Profit Sharing is moving up on the inside. And at the mid-back stretch, it's Royalty Material in the lead, followed by Wilkowski and Colossal on the outside. Profit Sharing moving up on the inside, double up. American Ruler and Talagaha. Rounding the far turn, Wilkowski moving up on the inside. It's Wilkowski moving up once again on the outside. Is the outstanding favorite, Royalty Material. It's Royalty Material by 2.5 lengths, followed by Wilkowski and Colossal moving up on the outside to take second. And Profit Sharing, double up. And into the home stretch, it is still Royalty Material in the lead by 2.5 lengths, followed by Colossal on the outside. And Wilkowski moving up on the inside. Into the home stretch and hitting the payoff line, it's still entry number 3, Royalty Material, Wilkowski, Colossal on the outside. And at the payoff line, it is still the favorite, entry number 3, Royalty Material. And finally, it's Royalty Material, Wilkowski, Colossal, American Ruler, Profit Sharing, double up. Talaga ha.
All right.